What is up, guys? Here's another video. Hope you are all having a great day. And today I'm going to be showing you exactly what to message influencers and how to get them to respond. I feel like a lot of people have trouble with this. They message me like, Tanner, I'm messaging all these influencers and I'm not getting any responses, or they don't get back to me in time and all this kind of stuff. So I'm here to help you with that, and I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can fix that problem today. And it's so simple. You guys are probably going to be like, what the heck, whenever you see what I'm about to tell you guys and show you on my computer. So before we get into that, there's not going to be a book giveaway winner on this video because I'm recording this video before I actually upload the previous book giveaway, so like I don't have any comments to go look at to choose a winner. But I'll be back on that grind when I start doing videos, you know, recording them the same day, or I have to figure out another way that I could announce winners. But before we get into this video, guys, make sure to drop a like if you enjoy this content. If you want more, make sure to drop a comment of video ideas that you want to see me make, whether it has to do with business, life, e-commerce, whatever. So now, let's get in this video, get on my computer, and start showing you guys what's going on and how to get influencers to respond. So we're on my computer now. We are on a Google Doc. I just named it Contacting Influencers. And right here, I forgot I had this. This is when I almost bought a GTR. First off, I just want to show you guys my Facebook group right here. Ascent Up and Coming Entrepreneurs. I want you guys to go join this right now. If you have Facebook and you want to connect with other young entrepreneurs that are involved with dropshipping, social media marketing, all that kind of stuff, make sure you join my group. There's almost 9,000 people here already. I want to get it to 100,000 by the end of this year, so make sure you join that if you want to get involved and network with a bunch of other young entrepreneurs. So now we're back here on my Google Doc where I'm going to show you guys exactly what to tell influencers, and I'm going to just get right into it. Exactly what I say to influencers and how I get them to respond. What to send influencers. Here we go. This is all you have to say. Trust me, this is all you have to say. Hey, what are your shout out rates? Basic. That's it. All you have to do. Copy that message. Send it to influencers. That is the most basic thing you can do, and that's what influencers like. They like when you're concise and to the point, asking for exactly what you want. So let me show you a bad example. A bad example would be something like, hey, my name is Tanner Planis. I am a young entrepreneur and I own a dropshipping store. I love your content and want to buy a shout out from my store. What are your rates? That is not what you want to do. That's the complete opposite of what you want to do. And I see a lot of people doing that, sending messages like, hey, this is my name, this is my store, I want to buy a shout out, what are your rates? You know, stick straight to the point. Influencers don't want to read that because they feel like they have to deal with this person that really doesn't know what they're doing. When influencers receive this, it gives a vibe of, you know, this is someone that's new to dropshipping, or someone that's new to buying ads. And they don't like dealing with those people because they waste their time and maybe they don't buy ads, they try to negotiate wrong and that kind of thing. So that is why you need to keep it short and to the point. Hey, what are your shout out rates? And most of the time I would DM them from my actual store page, and that's what I do. So you get good responses like that. Don't use your personal page. It just seems a little bit unprofessional. You want to keep it professional, to the point, simple, and something that makes sense. So hey, what are your shout out rates? One sentence. How many words is that? 6 words. That's all you need in order to get a response. And most influencers, well, I'm not going to say most, but a decent amount of them will have something called a Kik in their bio. It'll say, Kik is whatever. Mine is countries. So Kik is basically just a messenger app where you can message, you know, tons of other people. You may have heard of it before, but a lot of influencers use this to manage their shoutouts and stuff because DMs, you know, can unsend them. It can get a little bit cluttered in the DMs. So that's why a lot of influencers use Kik. So if they have that in their bio, create a Kik account, you know, make a profile picture, not of yourself, of whatever you want, a name, and then all you have to do is add them on Kik, send them a message, and say, hey, what are your shout out rates? Most of the time, influencers are going to respond a lot faster on Kik compared to just a normal DM, just because they use that more. A lot of brands that buy shout outs consistently use Kik to do that, like Fit-Tee. Fit-Tee used to buy ads from me on one of my pages, and we did all the business through Kik. So Kik is where a lot of big influencers, you know, manage their group chats, they manage people that buy ads and that kind of thing, and it's a lot better than DMing people. That's just gonna be my straight up opinion. That's what I've used, what other people use. It's just easier to keep up with. So use Kik Messenger app to contact influencers if they have one. And no, it's not like I'm saying this, use Kik because I'm an affiliate. Like, there's no affiliate. This is just a straight up messenger app. It's been around for years. I've used it for years, and it's really good. Hold on, let me turn my phone off. Sorry about that. But anyways, this is so simple. I'm telling you guys, this is all you need. Hey, what are your shout out rates? And they're gonna hit you back either with the rates, They'll have a 1 hour, a 3 hour, a 6 hour, 12 hour, the story post. And guys, I recommend feed posts more than the story post. They've worked more effectively for me. For the price you're paying, you get the best bang for your buck. So 1 hour, they'll be like, all right, this is $20. A 3 hour is $50, whatever. They're gonna tell you your rate, and you're gonna be able to choose from that and then negotiate whatever price you wanna get. So I'll make a video on how to negotiate. I will make a video on how to find the right influencers on the next videos. I think I'm gonna be doing that. So look out for that. But this is all you need. And basically, I just gave you all the tips that you need to get responses from influencers in the DMs. Just keep it so simple. Don't message them like this, being, hey, this is my name, I have a store, blah, blah, blah. You know, keep it simple. Don't ask the influencers a bunch of questions because, you know, they're there to sell you an ad. They're not there to help you with your store and your ads. I mean, some of them will help you here and there, but don't be asking a bunch of questions and stuff. Just keep it simple, get it done, and make sure you're being effective with your time, because if you waste their time, they're never gonna sell you an ad. You wanna make sure you're being good with them, keeping a conversation that's strict and to the point, and get it all done. So that's it. This is a super basic video, but it should help you out. And yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.